Hola, clase de español 2. Ya es tiempo de vocabulario y gramática 4.3. No hay mucho para hacer hoy. Not a whole lot to do today, other than to take a look at some new vocabulary, and we're also going to look at 3 slides that's going to have some information about direct object pronouns and how to use them to shorten your sentences and make them a little bit more elegant and eloquent in the process. At the very end, there will be an opportunity for extra credit if you should choose to do so at the end. So let me just go ahead and walk you through our vocabulary for this week. La cita is a date or an appointment. La cita. De acuerdo means I agree, or just simply agreed. Hacer cola means to stand in line or to make a line. Hacer planes, to make plans. Me encantaría, I would love to. Me encantaría. Mejor is better. Merendar is another word for to snack, like la merienda is a snack. Mirar las vitrinas is to window shop. The literal translation to look at the windows, so mirar las vitrinas. Pasar por means like to go by or to pass by. Pienso is I think. Platicar significa to chat. Platicar is to chat. Quedar en means to arrange to do something. So quedar en, to arrange. La próxima, reunirse con amigos is to hang out with friends or to get together with friends. Si quieres means if you want. Tomar el metro would be to take the subway. Tomar el metro. La próxima cosa, next item, is our grammar for this week, which as you can see isn't very much. So first item up here, let me make this a little bit bigger for us. There we go, I'll put this to the middle here. In chapter 3, we learned how to use direct object pronouns, lo, la, los, and las. These are the words that mean like it or them. So a more complete list of direct object pronouns would include words like I or myself, me, you, he or she, we, you all, and they. So in addition to the words lo, la, los, and las being direct objects or direct object pronouns, words like me and you and him or her, they can also be direct object pronouns. So let's go ahead and take a look at how a few examples of that. Remember that direct object pronouns go directly before a conjugated verb or can be attached to infinitives. For example, te llamo a las 5 means I'll call you at 5 o'clock. The literal translation, I call you at the 5. So obviously cleaned up a little bit. Nos invitaron, did you invite us? So in this case, invitaron was the ustedes form. So did you invite us? Los voy a ver después, or voy a verlos después. See, in this one, you have 2 variations on the same sentence, which is I'm going to see them afterward. Literally translated, I am going, or them, I am going to see after. This one is a little bit more close to English. I am going to see them afterward. Either one of these are considered correct because in this one, you're putting the lo, so you're attaching it to an infinitive, and in this one, you're placing it before a verb conjugation. Both are considered grammatically correct in Spanish. Those are our primary sentences, our sentence structures of focus for this week. We're going to be doing some different variations on using direct object pronouns set to the backdrop of all of our vocabulary too. So you're probably wondering, since this is such a short video, what kind of extra credit to expect out of something like this. So let me make it very simple for you. And this will maybe be one of your more easy ones. We will see. But it also has to be grammatically correct. So let's be careful with that. You are going to write simply 5 sentences using direct object pronouns in the sentences. Remember, direct object pronouns can be any one, can be any one of these, and they must be before your verb conjugation or attached to an infinitive. One last caveat: each one of your sentences must also include one of your vocabulary words. So 5 sentences using direct object pronouns, grammatically placed correctly, using any of this vocabulary. At least one word from the vocabulary in each of your sentences, at least one direct object pronoun in each of your sentences. So I hope that that helps you to either get ahead or catch up if you missed. That is the intent of doing so. If this created more questions than understanding, that's fine too. Hold on to those questions and bring them to me on Monday or Tuesday, and we'll see if we can answer them in class to help you out as best we can. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you in class.